A pleasant morning to one and all. How are you today? I hope we have the energy, ears and mind who's willing to listen, internalize and learn. Today we will discuss the chapter 3,
Cognitive learning theories.
particularly the lesson 4, which is problem solving and creativity. In its subtopics, we will know and discover problem solving, the four major elements of problem solving, the types of problem, and also the approaches to problem solving. First, let us know what is problem solving. According to Mayer of 2013, it refers to the cognitive processing directed at achieving a goal for which the problem solver does not initially know a solution method. Problem solving is the way by which solutions are developed to remove an obstacle from achieving an ultimate goal. Cognitive processing aimed at figuring out how to achieve a goal is called problem solving. In problem solving, the problem solver seeks to devise a method for transforming a problem from its current state into a desired state when a solution is not immediately obvious to the problem solver. Thus, the hallmark of problem solving is the invention of a new method for addressing a problem. Examples of problem solving scenarios in a workplace: solving any problems related to money, customer billings, and also finding a way to make a company more profitable through new services, new pricing, promotion, as well as sale ideas. When is problem solving happens? Problem solving happens when an individual strives to eliminate the obstacles that hinder the attainment of the desired goals. A problem occurs when a problem solver has a goal but initially does not know how to achieve that goal. This definition has three parts: the current state, which is the problem begins in a given state; then the obstacles, which is the problem solver does not know the correct solution and an effective solution method is not obvious to the problem solver; and next is the goal state. The problem solver wants the problem to be in a different state, and problem solving is required to transform the problem from the current or given state into the goal state. That is why it is very important to know the strategies and ways on how to cope and eliminate the obstacles that hinder you to attain or achieve your goal. If we already know the strategies and way on how to eliminate the obstacles that hinder us to attain our goal, there will be no problem in attaining it. According to Whitrock and Mayer's definition of problem solving, there are four major elements, namely cognitive, process, directed, and personal. Let us begin in knowing what is cognitive. Cognitive occurs within the problem solver's cognitive system and can only be inferred indirectly from the problem solver's behavior. Problem solving is a cognitive process of the brain that searches a solution for a given problem or finds a path to reach a given goal. The ability to solve problem requires mental development, in which we need to think, communicate, and make actions, and have been identified various strategies for solving problems. Next is the process. Problem solving involves mental computations in which an operation is applied to a mental representation and sometimes resulting in the creation of new mental representation. It involves the manipulation of knowledge representations for carrying out mental computations. In every problem, there should be a process in order to solve it and to have a good result. And also, process helps us to create and discover new methods as well as strategies in solving a problem. The third one is the directed. Problem solving is aimed at achieving a goal. It is guided by the goals of the problem solver. And the last one is the personal. According to this definition, a problem is personal. So that a situation that is a problem for one person might not be a problem for another person. For example, 3 plus 1 is equals to, this might be a problem for a 6-year-old child who reasons Let's see. I can take 1 from the 5 and give it to the 3. That makes 4 plus 4. And we know that 4 plus 4 is 8. However, this equation is not a problem for an adult who knows the correct answer. And now, let's move on to the two types of problem, which is the well-defined and ill-defined problem. In a well-defined problem, the given state of the problem, the goal state of the problem, and the allowable operators or moves are each clearly specified. Well-defined problems may be either routine or non-routine. Routine problem because the problem solver knows a solution method and only needs to carry it out, while non-routine problem, the problem solver does not initially know a method for solving the problem. The second one is the ill-defined problems. The given state, goal state, and operations are not clearly specified. And now, let's go for our last subtopic, which is the approaches to problem solving. The first one is the behaviorist. The behaviorists believe we solve problems using reproductive processes. This uses previous knowledge to solve the problem and relies on old habits. It believes in a trial and error strategy to work out the solution. And next is the Gestalt. Gestalt psychologists have a different take on problem solving. They believe we use productive processes. This makes us view the problem as a whole and reconstruct it, forming different mental representations until a solution is found. This is what is referred to as thinking outside the box. As an individual ponders upon how to solve a problem, a flash of an idea will come to mind which eventually provides the best solution to a problem. And that ends my discussion. I hope you learned something. Thank you for giving time in watching and lending your ears and mind. God bless everyone. See you next time.